Hello friends, welcome to my educational channel Gravity Tech. This video will help you to understand with the methods to solve some examples on graph theory, introduction to data analysis and statistics. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel to make your journey beautiful with much more new videos. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आए तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा ताकि मैं जो भी नए वीडियोस यहाँ पे अपलोड करूँ आपको उसके notifications मिलते रहे. Okay, now let's see what exactly we have here, right, to solve the examples. Okay, so where is that? Yeah, so a tree has 18 edges, then it will have 19 vertices. Okay, now what is the formula here? यहाँ पे formula क्या है? अगर trees के पास x number of edges है, so उसकी जो vertices है x plus 1 vertices रहेंगे. Okay, so let's say if a tree has 15 edges, so it will have 16 vertices. If a tree has 50 edges, it will have 51 vertices. Okay, now the two numbers whose sum is 30 and their difference is what? 24. ऐसे दो नंबर है जिनका एडिशन 30 है और उनका डिफरेंस 24 है. व्हाट विल बी द स्क्वायर ऑफ ज्योमेट्रिक मीन ऑफ दोज नंबर्स. देखिए अभी आप मैंने स्क्वायर यूज किया है, कभी कभी मतलब प्रिंटिंग मिस्टेक हो सकती है, लेकिन अगर ज्योमेट्रिक मीन बोला गया तो आंसर कुछ अलग आएगा, स्क्वायर ऑफ ज्योमेट्रिक मीन बोला तो कुछ आंसर अलग आएगा. ओके, अभी यहाँ पे इन लोगों ने बोला है कि दो नंबर्स है जिनका एडिशन 30 है. सो व्हेन वी से लेट्स एज्यूम दोस टू नंबर्स आर व्हाट x plus y, right? So x plus y is equal to 30 and difference is what? 24. So x minus y is equal to what? 24. So when you add those two equations, x plus y and x minus y, will be cancelled. 2x is equal to what? 30 plus 24, that will be 54. So 2x is equal to 54, so x gives you 27. So x का value क्या है? 27. So if x is equal to 27, y is what? 3. Okay, when you put that value in one of the equations. So that is something on the simultaneous equations, but 30 and 24, when this data is given, the numbers we get it is what? 27 and 3. हमको जो number मिलते हैं 27 and 3. देखिए 27 plus 3 is 30 and 27 minus 3 is what? 24. So 27 and the 3 are these two numbers which basically satisfies the both of the conditions, sum and difference 24. Okay, now what is the formula we have for the geometric mean? For the geometric mean of two numbers of m and n, the formula is what? Geometric mean is equal to under root m into n. Okay, under root m into n. So geometric mean, so when you take the square root on this side, geometric mean square will be what? M is 27, n is 3, so 27 into 3, that is 81. If geometric mean square is asked, it will be 81. If geometric mean is asked, it will be square root of 81, that is 9. Okay, yeah. Now what is a graph? A graph is basically a collection of vertices and edges. Next, it is taking some time, but yeah. See, so now consider the two numbers 3 and 27. दो number consider कीजिए 3 and 27. We need to find out the sum of arithmetic mean and geometric mean, right? हमको find out करना है arithmetic mean और geometric mean का sum. Now इसके लिए हमें arithmetic mean निकालना पड़ेगा और geometric mean निकालना पड़ेगा. We need to first find out the arithmetic mean and then geometric mean and then add both of them to get the final value. Now let's see what is arithmetic mean of the two numbers m and n. Arithmetic mean is what? M plus n upon 2. What is m? 3. What is n? 27. So 3 plus 27 upon 2. 30 upon 2. So arithmetic mean is what? 15. That is your arithmetic mean. Now how to find out the geometric mean? It is under root m into n. So under root m is what? 3. That's n is what? 27. So 27 into 3, 81. So square root of 81 is going to be 9. So geometric mean is 9 and arithmetic mean is 15. So arithmetic mean plus geometric mean is going to give you what? 15 plus 9, that is 24. Yeah. Now a complete graph is a graph in which there exists exactly one path between every pair of vertices. अगर आपके पास कोई ग्राफ है, उस ग्राफ के अंदर लेट्स से कितने भी vertices हो, हर दो pairs के अंदर there must be one edge. Okay, that is what we call it as a graph. Yeah. The next, a frequency distribution is a method where a raw data is converted wherein the number of times each data appears is listed. Okay, now the next question is kind of like we need to find out a mode where the mean is given as a 12 and the median is given as a 15. मीन दिया हुआ है 12, मीडियन दिया हुआ है 15 और हमको वैल्यू निकालना है मोड का. नाउ हमारे पास फॉर्मूला है, सी मोड इज इक्वल टू 3 इंटू मीडियन माइनस 2 इंटू मीन. 3 इंटू मीडियन, मीडियन क्या है 15, सो 3 इंटू 15 आ गया, माइनस 2 इंटू मीन, so 2 into mean is what 12, so 3 into 15 45, 2 into 12 24, 45 minus 24, that is what 21. Okay, so that's what the mode is. Next one, a raw data has a range 25 with the least term being 34 and the highest term is, that's what we need to find out. See, now we have a formula, range is equal to highest term minus lowest term. What is the range here? 25. What is the highest term? We need to find out. What is the lowest term? 34. Put the values. 25 is equal to highest term minus 34. This minus 34 will go on this side. So highest term is equal to 25 plus 34. That is 59. Easy. So basically you need to add both of these. 34 plus 25 will give you the highest term. Next. The number of vertices present in a graph is basically called as a order of that graph. देखिए, ऑर्डर होती है ग्राफ की और डिग्री होती है वर्टाइसेस की. ओके, वर्टेक्स का डिग्री होता है नंबर ऑफ एजेस जो वर्टेक्स की तरफ आती है, उसको बोलते हैं डिग्री ऑफ वर्टेक्स. बट ऑर्डर क्या होती है कि ग्राफ का ऑर्डर, द टोटल नंबर ऑफ वर्टाइसेस इन अ ग्राफ. रिमेंबर. नेक्स्ट, ए हैज 6 वर्टाइसेस. दो ग्राफ है, ए ग्राफ बी. ग्राफ ए में 6 vertices are there and in graph there are 5 vertices. Then a complete bipartite graph with A and B as bipartites will have 30 edges. Why? Because bipartite means actually there are two parts, separate two parts, and then one part basically each vertex of one part connects to the every other vertex of the another part. Okay, so that way it basically is going to have 5 into 6 vertices. Formula is what? M into N. So 6 and into 5 multiplication to it. Okay. Next. Now, a graph in which edges do not intersect each other are basically called as a planar graph. Okay, planar graph is the graph in which no two edges intersect each other. Okay. Next. Now they are saying in a graph there are 6 vertices and degree of each vertex is 7. 6 vertices है और हर एक vertex का degree क्या है 7. Total number of edges in the graph will be what? 21. Now how to find out that? See, there is a formula, sum of all degrees is equal to what? 2 into number of edges. So जितने degrees है उतना addition कर लो, right? See, one vertex has a degree 7, but how many vertices? 6. So 6 times 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is equal to 2 into number of edges. So 7 into 6, 7 into 6 is equal to 2 into number of edges. So यहाँ पे 7 into 6 करना है number of edges. 7 into 6, 42. 42 upon 2, that will be what? 21. So number of edges is equal to what? 21. Yeah. Next question. What is the chromatic number of a graph? Chromatic number of a graph is basically a minimum number of colors which are required to properly color all of the vertices of the graph. Okay. Now, how to find out basically the median of the median of a raw data which contains even number of terms. Okay, so if the raw data contains the even number of terms when arranged in an increasing order, then the median of the average number is basically middle of average. Median is what? Average of the middle two numbers. लेकिन अगर यही odd number of terms रहेंगे तो it is basically comes as a middle number. Let's say कि आपके पास 5 terms है, right? 23, 22, 21, 25, 26, right? So ये 5 numbers मतलब क्या? If you start from this side, if you start from that side, third जो term आएगी, third term is going to be your what? A middle number. So जब odd number of terms रहते हैं तो exactly middle number जो रहता है, that is basically the median. But अगर let's say there are 6 numbers you have, Now out of 6 numbers, there is no middle number, right? So when you come this side, or when you come from that side, from this side it is the third number, from that side it is the fourth number. So the third and fourth number, you need to take the average. So remember. Next. Yeah. Now what basically they are saying, mean of 6 observations. Okay, mean of 6 observations is 8. So 6 observations का जो मीन है that is 8. A new observation is added. एक नया observation add किया गया. Then the mean of 7 observation is what? 9. Observations added is what? The new observation added is what? 15. Right? See. Now एक एक चीज पकड़े यहाँ पे, एक एक चीज को समझने की कोशिश कीजिए. Mean of 6 observation is 8. So mean means what? Addition of all those 6 observation upon 6 will give you 8, right? So mean of 6 observation is what? 8. Matlab, all sum of 6 observations will be what? 6 into 8 is equal to what? 48. Correct. So now that gives you sum of 6 observations. But late, now in the 6th observation, the 7th observation is added. How much? 7th observation. So let's say that new observation added is what? X. So when you add all 7 observations, addition of 6 plus this, right? So 48 plus X. Now the mean is 9. यहाँ पे मीन 6 था, तो मीन 8 था, हमने 6 से मल्टीप्लाई किए थे बिकॉज 6 ऑब्जर्वेशन थे. यहाँ पे मीन या 9 और 7 ऑब्जर्वेशन है, सो विल मल्टीप्लाई बाय 9 into 7. करेक्ट. So 9 into 7 is 63. So 48 plus x is equal to 63. So x is equal to what? 63 minus 48. That gives you 15. Remember. So आपको ये कैसे निकालना है? So basically do 6 into 8, that is 48, plus x. So ये वाला जो 48 है, 6 into 8 48, 9 into 7 63. 63 minus 48 करो, आपको आंसर आ जाएगा. Next question is, consider raw data 12, 15, 11, 13, 18, 11, 13, 12, 12, 13. Now they are saying sum of the mode and median is what? Now we have got it 36. अभी mode कैसे निकालना है, median कैसे निकालना है? See, so very first thing, do one thing, इसको ascending order में, मतलब increasing order में लिख लो. Here the data in sorted order. The very smallest number is what? 11. How many times 11 is come? Has come 1 and 2. So 11, 11. Then 12. 12 how many times? 2 times again. 12, 12. 13 how many times? 1, 2, 3. 13, 13, 13. 15 once and 18 once. See. Now mode is what? Which number has come most of the times? कौन सा नंबर सबसे ज्यादा रिपीट हुआ है? 13. तो उसे बोलेंगे मोड. ओके. एंड मीडियन विल बी व्हाट? सॉरी, या सो मीडियन विल बी इनका मिडल नंबर. ये कितने नंबर है टोटल? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. सो देयर आर टोटल 9 numbers. So if you come from this side, 1 2 3 4 5 is the middle. 1 2 3 4 5 is the middle. So 13 is what? Median. So median 13 आया, मोड 13 आया, दोनों का क्या चाहिए हमको? सम. So मोड प्लस मीडियन 13 plus 13 is what? 26. Easy. The next one. Yeah. So as we just saw, right? Mode is the number which occurs most frequently in the set of numbers. यहाँ पे जैसे हमने 13 निकाला, 13 क्या है? मोड. क्यों? बिकॉज 13 बहुत बार आया हुआ, सबसे ज्यादा बार 13 रिपीट हुआ है. दैट्स व्हाट इट सेज. मोड मींस. ओके. द नेक्स्ट वन. So this is what? Mean minus mode is equal to what? 3 into median minus mode. ये formula है. This is the relation between mean, mode and median. Remember. Okay. Now what is a null graph? Null graph is a graph which basically has no edges. Okay. A null graph is basically a graph which has no edges. Now next. Let's see what is the next. So what is the degree of region? Now we saw the order of graph, we saw degree of a vertex. Now what is the degree of region? Now the number of edges that form a region is basically called as the degree of region. Okay, the next one. Now a planar graph has 45 edges. Planar graph में कितने edges है? 45. and 20 regions are there, 45 edges, 20 regions are there, then G will have how many vertices? 27. Now, how we got that number? Let's see. See, the formula is this: number of regions is equal to number of edges minus vertices plus 2. So, number of regions are here 20, number of edges are given as a 45, V is number of vertices we need to find out, plus 2. Okay, so 45 plus 2, 47. So V is equal to what? 45 minus 20. Forget about this dash. So 47 minus 20 will give you what? 27. So this is a main formula. R is equal to E minus V plus 2 will give you the required number. Now, what they are saying, the mean of 7 numbers is 32. There are 7 numbers and the mean of those 7 numbers is what? 32. The sum, then the sum of these numbers will be what? 224. How we got it, right? See, the formula is what? Sum of the numbers is equal to mean into total number of elements. So mean क्या है यहाँ पे? 32. And how many numbers? 7. So 7 into 32. That is what? 224. Okay. Now sometimes it might not match the exact answers, right? But you need to basically figure out that might be a printing mistake. Number of vertices adjacent to a vertex A is called as a degree of vertex A. Remember, number of vertices adjacent to that vertex particularly is called as a degree of vertex A. Okay. Now, what they are saying now? Mean of first 11 natural numbers is what? 66. See, what is the formula? Mean of first n natural numbers is what? N into n plus 1 upon 2 into n. Remember, basically n gets cancelled and n plus 1 upon 2. Okay. So n plus 1 upon 2. What is this? 11. 11 plus 1 is what? 12. 12 upon 2 is going to be what? A 6. That's what 6 is answer. You can also put the value of n is 11. 11 plus 1 upon 2 into 11. 11 11 gets cancelled. 11 plus 1 12. 12 upon 2, that is 6. Okay. So basically a mean of first 11 natural numbers is going to be what? 66. Now forget about this if. Okay. The question is, what is the formula to find out angle of each sector of a pie chart? अभी pie chart क्या होता है? Pie chart is basically एक circle होता है. आपके पास अगर कुछ भी डेटा है उसको अगर आपको पाई चार्ट में रिप्रेजेंट करना है तो आपके पास एक पूरा डेटा दिया जाएगा, उसको आपको सर्कल में रिप्रेजेंट करना है. सर्कल में क्या होते हैं? सेक्टर्स. पूरे सर्कल का जो एंगल होता है, कंप्लीट सर्कल का एंगल इज व्हाट? 360 डिग्री. सो दैट्स व्हाई द फॉर्मूला इज व्हाट? The component what you have, what is the total you have, and then into 360. That basically gives you the angle of that particular sector in a pie chart. How are you going to represent this component? Okay, the next. Yeah. A graph in which there exists a path between every pair of vertices. हर एक पेयर के बीच में अगर path exist होती है, I'm talking about the path, not about the only edge, is called as a connected graph. Okay, मतलब आप किसी भी एज से लेके किसी भी एज तक जा सकते हो. It is what a connected graph is. Okay. Now what is a closed walk? Closed walk is basically a part of a graph. एक ग्राफ का एक part होता है in which the initial and terminal vertices are basically a same. Okay. How to find out the range? Range is basically calculated highest term minus lowest or least term. Okay. Now the mode of the data 20, 21, 20, 25, 20, 23, 20, 26, 23, 26, 23, 26, 23 is what? 23. Why? Mode is what? The most repeated element. See, 23 is repeated maximum number of times, right? 20 has come 1, 2, 3 times 20. 21 is only one time. 25 is only one times, right? Then the 26 is right 3 times, but 23, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. That's why 23 is a mode. And the next question is what? The mean of the data is 8, 7, 5, 9, 3, 6, 11 is what? 7. It's very simple. Add all of these numbers. And how many numbers are those? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And divide by that number. So addition upon the total number. Addition is 49 upon 7 gives you the 7. Okay. So guys, if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel so that you will get notification about my all new videos. I'm gonna upload Python as well. I will be uploading C++. I will be uploading Unix, shell programming, All of these videos I will be uploading, so make sure that you subscribe so that you get updates about the all new videos. Okay, so that's all basically I had it from this video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe and share. I wish you happy learning with the Gravity Tech. Thank you.